In this video, I am going to share benefits of drinking pomegranate juice and I will also show you how to easily make it. First, know the benefits. Pomegranate juice has been celebrated for centuries for its lovely taste and remarkable health benefits, served as both a delicious beverage and a symbol of vitality in many cultures. This ruby red nectar offers a unique blend of flavor and nutrition. First and foremost, pomegranate juice is renowned for its rich and tantalizing flavor. This delightful taste experience is not only enjoyable but also refreshing and ideal beverage to quench your thirst and elevate your mood. Pomegranate juice is packed with antioxidants which protect your cells. Their ability to combat inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and boost your immune system. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice may contribute to a decreased risk of chronic disease. Studies suggest that pomegranate juice can significantly improve heart health. Its natural compounds support healthy cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve blood flow. Pomegranate juice has uh, has also been linked to cognitive benefits. Its high antioxidants content may help protect the brain from age related cognitive decline and neurological disorders. Some research indicates that it could enhance memory. Recipe is very simple. You need here 2 glass of water and half cup of pomegranate seeds. First take 2 glass of water and half cup of pomegranate seeds. Take it out from the pomegranate and the next step is that you will add these seeds in water and set up your blender first and this is the water, 2 glasses of water I will add in the water and then I start blending it so that it will mix it very well and you can find the great taste from the pomegranate seeds and then we will strain it with the strainer. So add all that and I have done this and now I'm going to set up my blender. Yes, this is my blender and I start blending. First I will switch it on and then start blending properly and you will see the color and the texture of the juice. It is full of vitamins and minerals as I have already told you, as well as I am just telling you the more benefits of this juice. So keep listening and keep watching. Pomegranate juice contains natural enzymes that aid digestion, promoting a healthy gut. Additionally, it can help alleviate symptoms of conditions like diarrhea and irritable bowel syndrome. The juice's mild laxative effect can assist in maintaining regular bowel movements. Apart from its specific health benefits, pomegranate juice is a nutritional treasure trove. It is a good source of vitamin C and K, as well as potassium, folate, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for overall health and well being. Pomegranate juice is not only a sumptuous delight for the taste but also a vibrant elixir with health benefits. Whether you enjoy it as a daily drink, a refreshing treat, or a special occasion indulgence, pomegranate juice is a powerful addition to your diet that can help you lead a healthier and more vibrant life. So pour yourself a glass of this red elixir and toast to your well-being, one sip at a time. Keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.